Welcome to Unit 6, Skills, Qualities and Values. This unit is designed to help you audit and reflect on your personal transferable skills, qualities and values, then link them with future aspirations. It's about analysing the compatibility of your personal attributes with potential careers. How will it be thought? We'll start with a presentation and interactive discussion explaining skills, qualities and values. You'll then complete top 10 skills audit and qualities audit worksheets, graphing your results. We'll discuss how transferable skills are useful and how your strengths point to particular jobs. You'll log into myguidance.ie to complete an occupational values test and reflect on how your values align with your career choices. So get ready to understand your core attributes and how they shape your professional future.